You know, all of those YouTubers who spent all of that time unmasking and giving out actual government names of Jane Does and John Does, of all of the Jane Does and John Does to be blown right here on YouTube. Why hasn't anybody looked into the Jane Doe and the John Doe on that Ashley Parham case?
You know, it's the reason why.
There's a lot more who should be on the stand. I mean, y'all guys haven't figured it out. They're trying to find a way to get this done without implicating any other big celebrities. Y'all can't see that.
And everybody
And
should
that's fine.
revisit the video that I said exposing the connections to Ariel Mitchell to somebody. That'll give y'all a little bit